I've kind of refrained from talking about it because I feel like it's maybe a lot of people are feeling, and it's not easy to verbalize with what's going on in the world today. Because of the work that I do, which is a lot to do with helping people in their struggles and, how they deal with their pain or their challenges, and helping people to come out of that place where they feel withdrawn or shut down or separated or in isolation or lost or want redirection or even just to find love and connection. These things have been kind of what makes us human, and it's the area of which I have been supporting people in for decades. In fact, my entire life has been dedicated to personal growth and also leadership. Now what's coming, and I'm feeling it in 2026, which is this, in addition to the kind of heaviness that I can sometimes feel when I walk into a room, a seminar, a retreat, a training, and I can feel the heaviness of what's going on, what people carry. And of course, I have different methods in how I don't carry it home, so to speak. Now there's this other thing that's happening collectively that I feel not just myself who's feeling it, but others, which is around what's going on in the world. And all this uncertainty, I'm noticing a heaviness with it. I can go to the positive, I can go to the optimistic, I can go to a very beautiful place, no matter what, in a day. I can make those decisions and choose to do so. And before I go there, I want to let myself feel this uncertainty, so I'm not bypassing it. And when I feel uncertainty, I notice that I feel maybe a little shaky, a little scared. And then, of course, the deeper understanding of it is, even though life right now feels really unpredictable about where we're going, the deeper understanding is that unpredictability and that uncertainty and that unknown has always been there. And the need to know and predict and to control and to have the answers and feel like we got the right plan has always been there. And then there's been this master plan beyond our control, beyond our known. It feels like right now, the volume just got turned up, because it feels like we're potentially going in a direction that is uncertain for everyone, like a collective uncertain. And in that, I believe in the human potential for growth. This is why I do the work that I do. And of course, I believe that we will come together and we will find a way through. We will find maybe even a way that we connect on a deeper level, that we will start to interact in a different way, that we will start to have deeper conversations, we will start to meet in a different way where it feels more meaningful. But right now, what I'm feeling is this uncertainty and the discomfort of that. And of course, at the center of that unknown, all I can do is trust. All I can do is trust.